It's tough to talk about without stepping on toes, but let's face it, the truth isn't always easy to swallow. I've been thinking about what's happening in Jamaica, especially in certain communities. Parents work hard to send their kids to school, but sometimes, despite finishing high school with a few decent grades, the options seem to stop there. Instead of considering free opportunities like heart to learn a trade, some end up stuck at home, starting families early and falling into the same cycle of struggle. It's like passing down poverty from one generation to the next. But here's the thing, breaking that cycle isn't just about becoming a lawyer or a doctor. Heart offers a whole range of skills like welding, carpentry, and more. It's about opening up those opportunities and giving everyone a chance to build a better future.